your girl, Styles of Elise. I know it's been a minute since you guys seen me on here, but today I want to share something with you. Today I'm going to show you guys how to take a t-shirt and turn it into a jersey or a cardigan, whichever one you prefer. So let's just get right to it.
In this tutorial, you would just need an oversized t-shirt, an iron, patches, or whatever you prefer to put on your shirt, and a pair of scissors. And excuse the country accent, I apologize.
Okay, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my numbers, which are my patches. I'm going to take my numbers and place them everywhere on my shirt. It really doesn't matter where you put your patches at. It's whatever you prefer, whatever style or look you're going for, then do you. But I'm just going to lay my numbers out everywhere on my shirt, and then I'm going to take a rag and lay it on top of my patch, and then I will place the iron on top of the rag. And the reason why is because I don't want my white shirt to stain. So if you're using a white shirt, you definitely want to make sure you got a cloth that you sit on top of your patches before you actually place the iron down onto your shirt. So just be very precautious of that. And I just have my iron set here to like wool. You don't want it up too high, you don't want it too low. But definitely be careful with placing your iron onto your shirt if you decide not to use a cloth. And that's pretty much what I'm doing for the first part. Now, as you can see, I have flipped my shirt over and I placed numbers on the back of it because I want my shirt to be a little bit more stylish. So I'm placing numbers on the back and doing the same procedure that I did on the front of the shirt. And something that I forgot to mention to you guys early on, whenever you placing patches on your shirt, be sure to flip that shirt over and repress those patches that you actually had placed on your shirt the first time. And just repeat that step until you think that your patches are actually secure. And you will continue to do that throughout the whole process, however many patches you decide to place on your shirt. Finally, all we have to do now is take a ruler, which I forgot to mention, but take a ruler and measure from one shoulder to the other on your t-shirt. Find that middle number of that measurement and just cut right down the center of your shirt. If it helps for you to draw a line so you know that you're making a straight line, draw a line down your shirt and just cut that line down the center, and you now officially have a jersey / cardigan t-shirt. The last thing for you to do now is just to rock it out. And I'm going to show you guys how I rock mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like, please subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, just check me out on Instagram and Facebook, Snapchat as well. See you guys soon.